and after that came the arrest, shoot on site order.
Sir, nangako din po ba siya na tutulong na siya sa pamahalaan sa kampanya laban sa illegal na drugs?
That is talaga personal crusade niya, tumulong. And after that, you must remember na si Mayor, first time lang niya naging politiko. Wala siyang record regarding drugs. Hindi siya. Wala siyang bahid sa kanyang pagkatao.
Sir, ano yung document na pinirmahan niya kanina?
It's a short statement, a judicial affidavit regarding his defenses. It was signed by me, not only by Mayor.
So what's next po? Ano yung pinirmahan niya?
Umuwi ba siya sa Lake?
Right now, I'll be very frank, he's concerned about his safety. Not coming from the Duterte government.
So now ngayon, sir,
Meron nagtitreten sa kanya.
so sir, ngayon makakauwi siya?
Makakauwi ho ba siya?
I think, pero right now, it's security, they are still mapping out the ways and the means na makakauwi siya ng
Sir, hindi na siya
malaya siya.
magpapa-undergo ng drug test, sir?
Ang drug test, pinaliwanag namin niya ngayon right now. The mayor would undertake a drug test, pero at the same time, he would still have to consult his doctor kasi marami siyang maintenance medicines eh.
So hindi po ngayon?
Hindi ngayon right now, hindi ngayon. At saka one thing, the office that yung ipinuntahan namin does not concern itself yung mga drug test.
So madaling salita, wala siyang...
what does it contain? Yung nalalaman niya tungkol sa illegal na
Right now, ang sinabi niya, he admitted that indeed Kerwin is involved in drugs. And after that, si Kerwin, Peter knows about this, I think, personality in the NBP. Doon sa yung nabalitaan lang niya. Pero he does not know personally this Peter ko.
Sir, yung nangyari kanina umaga sa bahay niya, kahit wala na siya since June...
Right now, July 22, paano magiging kanya yun?
Yes. But then, sir, wala ba siyang order or communication with his men to stand down? Kasi nga siya, sumuko na.
Right now, sumuko na siya. Pero ito si Kerwin, he has made a personal appeal para sumuko na. Umiiyak pa nga eh. Anong gagawin natin dyan?
So, pero yung mga napatay, tauhan ni Kerwin?
Hindi niya tauhan yon. Hindi niya tauhan.
Ano, madaling salita, walang kasong...
At saka hindi niya alam yun eh.
Sir, bakit sa bahay niya? Bakit sa bahay niya kung hindi niya tauhan?
Ang nangyari sabi nila sa bahay. Pero ang sabi sa akin ni Mayor, hindi raw kanya yung mga yun.
Hindi niya kilala yung mga...
Hindi rin niya alam yun. Nasa compound, bigla na lang, wala rin siya alam eh. Nandito siya during that time eh.
But he has
mangyari?
sir. May mga tauhan siya.
Right now, he still has to verify completely what happened.
Wala siyang kaso, administratibo o kriminal.
No,
Malaya siya, madaling.
malaya. And he will now go home.
Sir, is
Right
he
now.
a drug protector? Drug lord?
He is not a drug protector. He has never been and he will never be.
Pero anak niya mismo yung nag-admit na drug lord.
Siya mismo nag-admit na
So will he not protect his own son?
right now, ang sabi niya is concern na ni Kerwin yun. He will not protect his son. From,
During the time that his son was operating on drugs,
Oh.
he admitted himself that he is a drug operator, he's a drug lord.
Sino?
Si Kerwin, di ba sinabi
Kerwin,
niya?
that is the admission.
Pero during the time that he was operating, yung si Kerwin, hindi ba siya mismo pumoprotekta? Hindi niya in-admit?
He has never protected Kerwin. There is no evidence on record showing that Mayor Espinosa is protecting Kerwin. Show me the evidence regarding that.
Sir, pero he mentioned yesterday that he knows for such a long time that his son is a drug dealer in Eastern Visayas.
Kunyari may anak ka nasa drugs. And after that, alam mo ibig mo sabihin iaano mo agad siya na para hindi mo agad-agad. Siyempre mag-iisip pa una anong gagawin mo para sa anak mo.
Sir, matagal na bang kliyente sila?
It was only recently. I was only contacted recently. I came here just to para at least to give para some sort to assist him regarding these proceedings. Pero anyway, I think I have already made an impression.
Sir, uwi ba siya sa Albuera o stay sila sa Manila?
Right now, for security reasons, I cannot really divulge the complete plan regarding his ano.
Pero babalik na siya sa Leyte or
dito
sa...
sa...
I think he's trying to secure. May mga death threats sa kanya doon. It's not coming from the Duterte government.
Oo, so hindi mo na siya babalik sa Leyte?
Oo.
When did he start receiving death threats?
Before the 22. Kasi ng mga pinahuli niya mga personalities eh.
Before July 22?
Oo. Kaya July 22, umalis na siya. And after that, he's on leave. Until such time that he could resolve this issue regarding the death threats that he has been receiving.
Attorney, may information kayo nasan si Kerwin?
Right now, as published in the newspapers, sa TV yata, nasa Malaysia or anything. Nasa Hong Kong. Pero right now, my client doesn't know anything about the whereabouts of ano.
What triggered the death threats, sir?
It's the fulfillment of his job. Kasi marami ring mga returnees, mga surrenderies sa kanya. And after that, I think this has irked certain personalities. Okay na?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Just get your full name again, attorney.
Ng
Romeo
abogado ni Mayor Rolando Espinosa ng Albuera, Leyte at yan nga po ang kauna-unahang kumbaga yung mga impormasyon o pahayag sa maghapong ito dahil naging closed door po itong pagkuha ng impormasyon o salaysay kay Mayor Espinosa.